If you remember on part 1, I crack open the valves of the forks for that exactly reason, so it will be easy for me to untie them now, and it worked pretty well.
Here. Now I have to push this down, take the plate out, and then remove the spacer with the spring out. Can be done by hand. Plate out, spacer, and the spring length of the forks is 299.9 millimeters. That's the service limit. We are at 321 here, so that's pretty good. Just oil and fork seals. End up with C-clip. Took me a while. Again. And it goes that way, but before we do that, a bit of lubricant.
I know what you're all thinking. The edges might be sharp and might damage the seal. In this case it wasn't, and I'm really careful in what I'm doing. I've done many of them, so I didn't need to put something to make it smoother. If you don't feel confident, just put some masking tape or electrician's tape around the edge of the fork and it will do the job. There are many ways to install a fork seal, but the best one I found is the seal installer. It uses those three little plastic parts that they go into the groove of the fork seal, and then you use the other part of the tool, which is a hammer, and you just hammer the seal in place safely without damaging it.
And this is the dust seals. Just a bit of lubricant here. This is something you can push with your fingers. Just like that. Suzuki GSXR750J, which is 1988 model, takes 10W fork oil, and it's 407 mil. So I have that tube that goes all the way to 500 mil. 400 is here, and then it has a line for 405, 10, 15, and so forth. So I'm trying to put at 405, and then I'll put 2 more mil with the help of the syringe. That's 405. That way.
If you can't remember which goes up and which at the bottom, just remember the spiral that has a more narrow diameter goes at the bottom.
And then the spacer. To help me keep it up there, I'm going to use this zip tie wrapped around here. There it is. We cut this and we're all done. Now pour the oil inside the fork. Slowly, so it won't go out. Maybe I should have put the oil beforehand, but that will do as well. 407 mil. To the last drop. Snug it, you don't have to tighten it really hard. This is aluminium, so be careful. Just play the fork up and down a few times so it can go through the passages and it works properly. Now push that upwards, this downwards, as you try to twist, and apply even pressure here. Once it goes a couple of turns, that's it. Snug it. We will tighten this only when this fork is on the triple clamp, not now, and there's no need, it's not gonna leak. Now, this is gonna get a nice clean with soapy water, but I'm not gonna show you that because it's pretty boring. Soapy water, brushes, and it's gonna be brand new. All done.